So it's a nice sunny day in Texas. About 59 degrees, and I'm gonna take the Ducati out. So this is like a little pre-ride of what I like to do. So I got my tri-Y and these rubber mounts in here. I like to give them a little twist because they will compress a little bit over time. They'll vibrate loose. For some reason, this one always loosens up. I have more replacements. I have replacements if necessary. So that's pretty cool. Weather, mileage, voltage. And then what I like to do is I leave it in the off position. We'll turn it on.
Mow ride ready.
Leave it in off and then watch the oil light. Get the oil up into the top of the cylinders. Then we'll put it in run. Give it a couple pumps. Flat side carbs. No choke. Those flat sides got to warm up a little bit before they start acting right. Oh, I didn't see if my little thing came on with the voltage right there. You can't see it. It says 13.1. But I'm gonna strap the helmet cam on. Y'all can watch this voltage.
Mow ride ready.
like the sun. You know, baby, the only one. a dream the other night. I was dressed up all in black, wearing my finest clothes, riding a brand new Cadillac. 6 strong friends by my side, gonna take up my slack. I ain't gonna wake up, no, I ain't coming back. Deep and cold, down in the graveyard ground, cold and deep. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Always been a fighter, I guess that is my fault. My whole life has been a battle, but I finally got caught. Shot down stone cold graveyard dead, trying to rise above. Way too much blind faith, baby, way too little love. I keep some money in my guitar case, save up for the man what dig my grave. 9 foot, 10 foot, 11 foot down, deep and cold in the graveyard ground. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Cold and deep, deep and cold in the graveyard ground. Heaven ain't gonna suit me, angel can't sing no blues. Already been to hell, baby, don't pay that devil my dues. Pull me down deep and cold, where I can get some peace. I can feel the cars roll by, oh Lord, I need some sleep. Rest up easy, cold and deep, deep and cold on the graveyard ground. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Nine foot way too shallow, 10 foot ain't enough, 11 foot will almost do, man. Show me a little love. Pull me down deep and cold, where I can get some peace. Where the midnight train won't call my name, where post, so rest in peace. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Rest up easy, all deep and cold. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Deep and cold. Listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? Your hard luck woman ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next come around here looking for all you can take. Move me so hard, make my poor heart shake. Make my poor heart shake. Chasing you, woman, or chasing my tail. Can't catch either, so it's just as well. So it's just as well. Love like that, it can't last long. You're one day here and the next day gone. You're one day here and the next day gone. Lightning in a bottle shines so bright. Seen you, baby, just the other night. I said I seen you, baby, just the other night. Well, listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? You're a hard luck woman, ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Well, you're one day here and the next day gone. One day here and the next day gone.
Hey,
Hi.
did you just get home?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah.
You going for a little ride?
About 50 miles.
Cool. Cold?
Heated grips. Not cold anymore, buddy. So it tracks your mileage. That's pretty cool. So that was fun. Let's do it again sometime. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.